Northeastern France, a place of quiet beauty, rolling hills, whispering forests, but beneath the surface a dark history lingers. This is the Zone Rouge, a vast area forever marked by the First World War. The Zone Rouge, or Red Zone, was declared off-limits after the war, too dangerous for human habitation. Millions of shells were fired here, many did not explode. They remain hidden beneath the soil, a threat to this day. The land itself is poisoned. Chemicals and explosives seeped into the ground, rendering it infertile. This is the legacy of the Great War, a silent, deadly inheritance. The First World War was a new kind of conflict. Industrialized warfare, machines of destruction used on a scale never seen before. The Zone Rouge was at the epicenter of this devastation. Millions of soldiers fought here. They dug vast networks of trenches. They lived, fought, and died in these muddy scars on the landscape. Artillery bombardments churned the earth, villages were obliterated, forests vanished. The very soil was churned into a toxic soup. Heavy metals, poison gas residues, unexploded ordnance, these are the invisible enemies that still haunt the Zone Rouge. Chemicals like arsenic and lead contaminate the soil. Rainwater carries these toxins into the water table. In some areas, like Ypres and Wavre, the arsenic levels are dangerously high. Too high for farming, too high for human habitation. The iron harvest is another danger. Every year, tons of rusty shells are unearthed. A stark reminder of the war's enduring legacy. Despite the contamination, life has returned to the Zone Rouge. Nature, resilient as ever, is slowly reclaiming this wounded landscape. Forests have regrown, albeit changed. The soil, though poisoned, still sustains life. Animals have returned too. Wild boar, deer, and birds of prey now roam this no-man's land. The Zone Rouge is a stark reminder of the destructive power of war, but it is also a testament to the resilience of nature. A century on, the healing process continues. Slowly, silently, life reclaims its hold.